Working and studying at the same time is completely unmatched in my opinion. Everything that I learned at the IoT is so transferable that I can bring that back into the business. It was everything that I was hoping for, yeah. I'm Charlotte, I'm a marketing apprentice at Aztech. I'm studying digital marketing at the South Central Institute of Technology. The apprenticeship's 18 months long and we go in once a week to the IoT, touch base with our tutors to take part in workshops that essentially form the whole curriculum. You would think that juggling work and studying is quite difficult, but it's actually quite easy because Aztech give you that time to study and work on your exams and work on your portfolio. They're basically just really good at trying to make me a well-rounded marketer.
My role at Aztech is an IT support apprentice. The great thing about Aztech is I've been able to move around the business in different departments. I specialised in the workshop, and then after a few months at Aztech, I was moved to the service desk where I could expand my capabilities in technology.
To me, there's something really valuable about being involved in what I'm doing in the real world and seeing other people doing it and picking up those skills. In terms of my confidence, I feel that I've really grown as a person since being at Aztech. I've been taking part in web analysis presentations, social media analysis, and really building those analytic skills has been really crucial for me.
So we've been partnered with the South Central Institute of Technology for about 4 years now, and that partnership's just going from strength to strength. So we get some face time with the people that are actually recruiting the apprentices, training the apprentices, and that relationship becomes a much stronger bond.
For anyone thinking about doing an apprenticeship or having a change in career, don't be afraid to take the leap. Being in an apprenticeship and working with Aztech and the IoT is the quickest that I've ever progressed at anything. Really throw yourself into it because it's really one of the best things you'll ever do.